Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can integrate Square, which is a payment processing method on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, Square is used for point of sale transactions, meaning that people can come to your store in person and pay with cash or credit cards or anything of the sort, credit, debit, Apple Pay, whatever it is. And yeah, it is very useful to have if you have a point of sale or physical location, which you are using so that people can pay with credit cards or cash. Now, the way that you implement this, it's very easy since Square is Squarespace's own, method. So it is very easy to connect. You have the option within your account. So let's go right into it. And the first thing you need to do, click on settings over here and go into selling. And from there, the second from the top is payments. Click on that. And as you can see, point of sale, however, it is for the US only as of the current moment. So if you are outside of the US, you won't be able to use Square. But pretty much what you can do is just click connect or click anywhere on Square. And it's going to pop up in a new pop-up window. It's going to ask you to log in or create a new account on Square if you don't already have it. I won't be registering one since I don't need it. I'm outside of the US. I cannot use it anyway. Pretty sure I wouldn't be able to create an account anyway because I'm not in the US, but you can test that out yourself. But pretty much all you need to do, create an account, log in. Then you might need to allow some things, connect some things, or follow instructions that are on your screen. And once you finish that up, it'll be connected to your store and people will be able to use their cash and credit cards to pay in person. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.